Hello, this is Steve, DichroicGlassman. Boy, it's been a long minute since I've been on here on my DichroicGlassman YouTube channel, but, well, it's a good time to come back. Different emphasis, well, a whole lot of new calibrations that I've had to adjust to, having had bypass surgery. And yes, it's a whole new set of challenges now. So it's been a long time figuring things out, looking at things differently, and making a major presence, by the way, on Instagram now, where you can see my videos on what you might ask. Well, it's called cold work. Cold working. What is that? I mean, like, what do you mean? You can glue glass together, various kinds of, and you polish it to turn it into beautiful things. It's crazy fun. And, well, frankly, it's the most complicated glass form I've been in. Not that it's complicated that you got to do a lot of push-ups and this and that, calisthenics. No. You can't fake it. Your methodology and your processes. You got to be there. You got to be able to have a process. Well, anyway, through this process here of using these various wheels that I will be describing in future videos, you take what's called a lap wheel. This whole thing is a machine. Yeah, it's a variable. I don't want to flip the switch or I'm going to have a wrecked display. So, cold working. So I advise you or offer you the opportunity to check out my Instagram under DichroicGlassman. Same as my YouTube. See what's up and see what's going on. I'll introduce you to some of the people, or you will on your own. Cold work. Cold working, cold work. It's a cold work process, and that after the glass is made, whatever form it is, whether you kiln formed it, you casted it, you ladled it, whether it's crystal, whether it's ceramic, black ceramic. Who knew? Almost as hard as glass. So fun stuff. A lot of science here. It's a lot of science. That's what I'm saying. For the people that are really technocrats, pragmatic thinkers, you know, you love the science of it. Oh, this will appease you. When you dial into one of these things, it's really hard to fathom that anything this beautiful could be done without heat, because everybody wants to apply heat to the thing. We're so used to it, to the borosilicate world, that heat has to be applied, but there's no alchemy in cold work. Once the glass comes to you, no matter how the glass comes to you, kiln, torch, hand ladled, poured, casted, it doesn't matter. After that is done, after you have your initial glass, you glue them together, a lamination process of that and this and this and that, and creating your own formulas of how to go about it, making it henceforth your signature fingerprint. Perhaps you can develop your own personality doing this. It's the most incredible thing I've ever done, and I love it. It's beautiful. Hope to speak more. Hey, thanks. As always, thank you for the warm comments and compliments. Check me out on Instagram. Bye-bye.